Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of Moderna. This has been a very interesting stock, and I've been watching this one and the Pfizer stock for quite some time. This has been interesting because, well, number one, this is Moderna, the vaccine that Moderna has created to help the world deal with the coronavirus is the first attempt that they have had at making anything. So this is their first product. So they're a one-song band, and if this vaccine fails, well, I can imagine this company going to zero because they have nothing else in their portfolio. In contrast to Pfizer, who have many other products. They have other vaccines, they have lots of other medicine and treatments and whatnot that they can base more of their earnings on than the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine for Pfizer is just one of the bullets in their revolver. And so, but Moderna is a bit of a thin one, and the reason that this has been really interesting to watch, and the reason that we've seen this, is because there have been a lot of scandals. Rather, I mean, I call them scandals within Moderna, and this is primarily due to some of the primary and the main leadership in Moderna dumping their stock. I think there was the CEO from Moderna dumped about $400 million worth of his stock, and I mean, well, why would you be doing this if you were the CEO of a company that you believed in? This goes contrary to belief. They're telling us how great these vaccines are, but at the same time they're reducing their exposure to the company that they run. This is a counterintuitive and makes my alarm bells go off. And so, I mean, we saw here in, when was it? Here we saw the kind of the uptake of the vaccine while the stock was worth about $20, and then we saw as sales increased, distribution increased, price just went parabolic, and now we've almost returned to the origin of that move. So let's do a quick liquidity distribution analysis. Here we have, I mean, we've got some historical levels here. We can't really see what's here because there is no historical data, but we had like a resistance here. Price finally broke it, and we formed this area of demand. Okay, price went north in a real hurry, and we came, I mean, all the way back down to this area of demand, and now this one's gone. So the area that consumed that is somewhere down here. Sorry, wrong tool. It's somewhere in here. Okay, this is the one that caused price to move through this area of demand. Here we have the parent, here we have a child. The price went through the child to the parent, we sat on it, and now we're gone. Okay, so what's going to happen? Well, we have to consider the landscape and the environment for this company. They were very optimistic in the beginning. There was a lot of push to get the whole world vaccinated with Pfizer and Moderna. This has pretty much happened. I think there are 3.5 billion people who are vaccinated with either of these vaccines. You know, we have the AstraZeneca, the Johnson & Johnson, and the Pfizer and the Moderna. We have very many different vaccines. And I think we've had a little bit of time now to assess the success of the vaccine. I think we can say that it's not doing anywhere near what they're telling us. In fact, it's having maybe even a detrimental effect on the immune system, increasing the likelihood of vaccinated people getting sick, which is completely outrageous. This is not at all what we would expect. I mean, if you take the old vaccines, you get an injection against measles or mumps or rubella or whatnot, then you have lifetime immunity to it. But this is not happening with this vaccine, and so due to the fundamentals around this vaccine, essentially it's not doing what it's supposed to do, and now also the safety data that is slowly beginning to reach the surface. It's reaching a place where it can be scrutinized, and it's not looking very good. People are actually getting sick from these vaccines. I see the price of this asset returning to supply, and then I see it moving down much further, much quicker. And there's nothing stopping this stock from going to zero once this safety data has been released publicly. So shorts from around here, keep your eyes on those. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.